Good morning from Animal Kingdom Lodge, where we are on the 6th floor in the Kilimanjaro Club. We're checking in for 2 nights. This is our first time staying club level, and I'm so incredibly excited. Can't wait. Ernie is right here, cozying up. We're gonna grab a little breakfast here over by where they have the complimentary snacks and start our day. So here's what they have offered. We have 7 to 10 p.m. and from 7 to 10:30 Adventurous Awakenings, Safari Snacks from 11:30 till 4. That's where we are right now. It's 11:40. Twilight offerings from 5 to 7, and then evening indulgences from 8 to 10. Amazing. And that's all set up right over here. We'll take a look at that. Also, we got this really cool chocolate bar with all the animals on it from the safari. Oh, that looks awesome. What a cute little present. And now we're in the snacks zone. So we've got a lot of snack offerings, but later on it's going to be like actual food. Cookies, peanut butter jellies, got a little crudité, olive cinnamon ranch, got chips, some chips and Stacy's. Oh, I'm gonna grab some of that and do the hummus. Yeah, espresso machine, lemonade, unsweetened tea, coffee, regular and decaf, and there's all the sodas. Yummy. Wonderful. Alright. We're gonna sit over here and have a snack. Okay, here's what we did for our little snack plate. We got some carrots, olives, hummus. We got the pita chips over there from Stacy's. We took some of the spiced African nuts, and we made ourselves a little iced coffee. Some breakfast of champions, everyone. Can't beat the view. I'd just like to point out they also show movies up here. Right now it's Mary Poppins, which is just bringing me joy. Right. Up here on the 6th floor, okay, oh, I can see a giraffe out on the savannah. It is getting to be lunch. We should probably go out there and look at the animals. But I want to show you guys, first of all, let's look at the lobby, which looks awesome. No Christmas tree this time because it's June, but we'll be back here for Christmas. Well, actually, we're in Kidani for Christmas because we've never stayed in Kidani. But there's the lounge. That's where we just were, having our snack. Now we're gonna take the elevator over here and go down to the lobby floor so we can go out onto the savannah. Some of the activities for June at the resort. We've got some movies. Awesome. Down here in the lobby, that's the Victoria Falls bar where we were last time, having that wonderful Avatar cocktail that was delicious. Down there is Boma, where we had breakfast last time. And over here, there's a fire. Pretty. We're gonna go out here. This is where the giraffes and zebras are. Oh my gosh, you can see them. There they are. There's a zebra right there. Look at that. There's a friend. All right. Let's go down there. Here we are. We got a little fire pit here. We remember all of this. Yeah, our room's like right over there from last time. Yeah. There's where we just were. Come out this way. Oh, hi, cutie. What are we doing now? We are going to take the shuttle. Oh, yeah? We're going to take the shuttle over to Kidani and go on over and look at that savannah. Still waiting for our room to be ready. So we're hanging out here on the bench, the shuttle stop. They've got shuttles that go back and forth between Jambo and Kidani. Waiting over here at the bus stop. Actually looks like a little bit of rain coming too, so keep an eye on that. Okay, plot twist. We're gonna walk. Yeah, we're gonna get some exercise. We're gonna walk to Kidani. It is not that far. It's like 10 minutes. Walk on a path right over here. If we're going back up to Jambo, we would head that way. Jambo's right there. We're gonna head this way. We're going to Kidani. And the giraffes are coming over here. Hello, friends. We see you. And here's Ernie taking in the views at the savannah, looking at all the animals, the giraffes and zebras, just pleased, just having the best day ever out here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, our favorite resort. Oh yes, look at this. Beautiful. Everybody's having a little lunch. Hello, zebras. Outside at Kidani, and we're gonna head back over to Jambo because there's a little bit of rain coming, and we want to be on our resort side so that we can also have access back up to the club level, get another beverage, have another snack, and just hang out, wait for our room to be ready. The fancy thing about Kilimanjaro Club is you have to scan your magic band to get up there, and then it automatically hits the button. Very cool. Here's our room right here, 6401. Right off the elevators, right next to the lounge. I like it. Let's go inside. What's up, bud? Are you already relaxed? Do you want to give the room tour? No, it's too hot. You do the room tour. I'm gonna sit right here on the carpet and relax. Okay. Welcome to our room here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, where we are super fancy, and we were staying on the club level for the very first time. This is a DVC room, which we acquired through a DVC rental company called DVC Rental Store. We are not affiliated with the DVC Rental Store. This is not a partnership, this is not an ad, but we would not be able to afford this stay had it not been for their reasonable rates. So we do want to say thank you. All right, let's continue with the room tour. This is a studio. We've put our luggage over here in this little cubby here that would connect to the one bedroom over there if you were doing a 2-bedroom lock-off. As you walk in, there's a very giant floor-length mirror that is gorgeous. Over here in their kitchen section, you have a microwave, toaster, ice bucket, sink with very cute lion and zebra print backsplash. You have your dish soap, all of your coffee things that you would need, as well as a full-size coffee maker. Down here we have the mini fridge we've already got a few things in there, Ernie's food and whatnot, a couple of drinks. It also has a freezer section, which is very handy, so that's awesome. We've got Ernie's additional food in there. Underneath the sink you have your garbage. There you go, recycling and normal. Also the fire extinguisher. And then we'll head into here is the bathroom, and you have a very large makeup mirror and 2 sinks with some good counter space and a little shelf up here for some additional storage. You got your H2O plus products right there. You guys will be coming home with us. Tissues, some towels over there, light up makeup mirror here, trash down here. You can do some storage underneath. Those aren't drawers, working drawers. Those are just for presentation, but you could put some things underneath those sinks here if you needed to. And then coming in here to the bathroom, you have, again, another full-length mirror, and this door does lock. And you have your towels, additional paper products up there, toilet, and then the shower, which looks delightful, with this very beautiful print on the tile over here, and your H2O plus products mounted to the wall there. So coming back out, I also love this shower curtain. I haven't seen any hidden Mickeys yet, but we'll be on the lookout. Coming back out in here, got Ernie chilling out over here by a little bench that is also some storage. If you need to put some things, you can put them in here. There's a nice big giant drawer. This is also good for sitting. And then you have a very nice looking comfy bed over here, which is queen size. 2 reading lights above the bed. An outlet over there in case you need to charge some things, as well as on your table over here, you have 2 plugs and also 2 USBs here by the phone. Got your guide to the magic, and then another little drawer here for some storage, and a little cubby down there. Over here you have your wardrobe closet for unpacking your suitcase. You got your safe, iron, hair dryer, extra pillow and blanket, hangers, and luggage rack. Then got your nice TV over here. Welcome, love that they do that, with additional outlets. 2 plugs and 2 USBs on each side, as well as your Disney Conservation Fund picture book, coffee table book, if you will. And then you have some storage down here, additional drawers, 2 on each side, and then a little cubby down here that is also for storage. So that's nice. Got a little table over here if you want to do some sitting and some work. You've also got 1 spare outlet over there that you could use to plug in if you needed to. Another nice mirror here with lights, and then a balcony. Oh, fancy. With some very good chairs out here that have little animal prints on them. Oops, there's a double lock. Let's do that. And nope, I still did it wrong. Hold on. There we go, I got it. Okay. Here on the balcony, we have a pool view. Once again, this is club level. There's very few rooms, so you don't really get to choose which view you get. I don't mind this at all. I think this is gorgeous. This is beautiful. I love these zebra chairs. Very nice. We will be staying here for 2 nights. Wait, hold on. Forgot to mention the couch, which also pulls out into a bed if you need more beds for more people staying in the room. We're good with just ours. And then Ernie's got his down here with his little carrier. He's already cozied in and snuggled. And we have a very nice coffee table right here. And this room is perfect. We love it. Again, we're here for 2 nights. It's amazing. And now it's time to go to the lounge. We're back in the lounge and the Muppets are on. This is officially the best. So the lovely staff here at the club level, Francisco, just made me this very refreshing beverage. It tastes a bit like sangria. It tastes a bit like champagne. It's delicious. We're just gonna call it the ocean, because it looks like the ocean. It's very pretty. We're up here at club level. We've got our snacks, and we've got the Muppets. And for dessert, a Mickey Premium Bar is over here. We're gonna go out on the savannah in a little bit again, right? Yeah. Just taking a little break. Well, this was a super fun day. Our first day here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, staying Kilimanjaro level for the first time. Taking a look now at the Twilight offerings that are available here in the lounge. This is from 5 to 7. These are light bites, appetizers, and drinks are available, and they are delightful. All of the staff here is amazing, and we are really enjoying our time. We're once again here for 2 nights, so we'll have another full video coming up that will be our resort day here at the Kilimanjaro Club level. So that's very exciting. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that. And we really appreciate you guys watching and supporting our channel, and we will see you guys again soon. Cheers. Sauvignon Blanc. It's gonna be great.